In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a film dissolve transition to the beginning of your clips or the end of your clips, so you have a nice cinematic fade in or fade out. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So here we are in Premiere Pro, and here's my clip that I want to add a film dissolve to. See, as you can see, it ends quite abruptly. So let's do that. So if we go to the effects tab here, you go down to video transitions, and then you go down to dissolve, and then you have film dissolve here. So I'm going to drag that onto the end of my clip here and play the clip again. Obviously, I can use that at the beginning of a clip as well. If I put it at the beginning, for example, so it can fade in and then fade out as well. Okay. If I go into the actual timeline here, as you can see, this is the film dissolve. Now you can change the length of it. You can either make it shorter or longer. So you can have a longer dissolve, or you can make it a lot shorter if you want. You just do that by just dragging this out to the length that you need it to dissolve. If you have two different clips here and you want to create a fade in, fade out, you can also add the film dissolve to the end of the clip. So if I grab the film dissolve, put it here, I'm just going to copy and paste. That's Command C, Command V. Join those clips together. Then you can have a nice little effect like that. So all you have to do is select the film dissolve effect. Maybe I'll make it shorter like this. Play the clip again. Again, I might want to add an outro like that. Check out this video on how to add subtitle captions to your videos using Premiere Pro, and check out this video you might enjoy as well. Until next time, this has been Aston Regis, helping you tell your story through video. Peace.